One last thing I wanted to cover is that what you think is always going to be the case isn't always necessarily going to be the case. So here we have the Earth's axis of rotation, and it's pointed to Polaris, right? But the Earth's axis of rotation over the course of 26,000 years is doing this sort of thing, where it is actually coning. It looks like it's coning clockwise here. Coning clockwise there too. So it's actually kind of very subtly pointing to a different star in the nighttime sky. Not even necessarily does there have to be a star up there, like in ours. For our South Pole, there's no star there, so we might be at a time when there's no pole star. But right now it's Polaris, and it will, over the course of 26,000 years, kind of come full circle. So that's what this figure right here kind of shows you what that coning sort of thing will do. So right now, like I said, our North Star is Polaris, but kind of at some point it's going to be the star Vega, which is an awesome star too. The thing is, we won't be around to see that, but that's okay. One thing I will mention is that as this sort of subtle direction of the Earth's north axis of rotation, as that subtly changes the direction it's pointed, that will have consequences into when we have our solstices and equinoxes. There's something out there called the precession of the equinoxes, and that's actually kind of saying how the equinoxes will move throughout the year, depending upon this kind of subtle tilt change.